Hey guys, I'm back. I ran out of space on my memory card, so I reduced the quality down to a lower quality so I could get more time on my video. So I got about 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna go over this real quick. As I mentioned before, I'm really excited. I was really excited about getting this. So right now I'm gonna take a look at it to see. I haven't looked at it yet. I haven't opened it up yet. So let's see. And again, this was labeled as being in fair condition. But after looking at it, it looks pretty good, because the seller said the seller listed that there were a lot of scuff marks and maybe cracks on it. So far, it looks really good. It looks just as good as my other one. So it's in better condition than I thought so far. Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah, this looks really good. I mean, from what he said in the description, it was in fair condition. It looks really good. Let's see what's this. Oh, okay. I guess you can see kind of a scuff marks right here. See in the keyboard, but it's not a big deal. I mean, the keyboard, it doesn't even look worn. It still looks like it's in very good condition. It looks like it's been, haven't been used that much. But yeah. I'm really surprised by the condition because he mentioned it was, fair condition. But yeah, it looks really good. It looks just as good as the other one I have. So yeah, I'm gonna take I don't know, after I think about it now, it's in very good condition. But he did say the screen has white spots on it, a few of them. So I might not use it. I don't feel like removing the screen. It really depends. If this has a really good screen in it, as I mentioned before, this laptop comes with 3 different types of screens. The Dream Color, and it also comes with a TN panel, which is, not that great. And it also comes with an IPS 1080p screen. So I'm hoping I got the Dream Color or the IPS screen. I don't know. I just hope it's 1080p. I think all of the screens come as 1080p, but the quality varies. So, I'm hoping. So if it does have a good screen in it, I might just leave it as is and just take the parts off of my other one. Well, I don't need to add any parts. I might just use this one. The only difference is this one has a Core i5 processor, and the other one I have has a Core i7. So I don't know if it's worth it. If the screen is in good condition, I might just leave it as is. I'm not going to even remove the screen. It's too much work. But if everything works on this, I'm just going to use this one. It's a step down in the processor, Core i5, but the only thing good about that is the fact that I will have more battery life. And this is one thing about this laptop. It doesn't have great battery life. I think it lasts for about 4 hours. And again, it depends on the setup. It depends if you have a Core i7 processor or if you have a IPS screen or the Dream Color screen, which uses a lot of power. It consumes a lot of energy, so that's going to run your battery down. So it really depends on how it's set up. And again, I don't really know how this is set up, what kind of screen it has. And this one might even have a 4K screen, because I think one of them does. Again, this is a workstation. This is a Zbook. And they do have a model that I think has a 4K screen, so it depends. I don't know what kind of screen it has, but yeah. But if the battery life is something that bothers you, I would definitely look for another laptop, because out of all the laptops I have seen, it has the worst battery life. But yeah, I'm about out of time. I have about 25 seconds left, so yeah, it looks really good. I'm really surprised. Yeah. So yeah. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to make another video, and I'm going to give you a follow-up on this to how everything comes out. I'll do a follow-up video. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and see you again. Bye.